I'm Sally Miller. I'm a trustee of Hampshire Gardens Trust. The trust was set up in 1984 for two reasons. One was an increasing awareness of the threats to some of our historic landscapes, but also in the same year, Historic England set up its Register of Historic Parks and Gardens for the first time. An amazing lady called Gilly Drummond was the driver for setting up the trust, and she is now our president for life. But her activities and her contacts were extremely important in the early days of the trust. Hampshire was the first Gardens Trust to be established, but there is now one in every county in England. The trust was founded to identify our historic parks and gardens, and having identified them, to look for opportunities to conserve, protect, enhance those spaces for us and for the next generations.
Hello, I'm Katie McIntyre-Brown. My role is marketing and administration for Hampshire Gardens Trust. I help to keep the whole organisation on the road. I make sure that everybody's talking to each other, that the members get to know about all the beautiful gardens they can come and visit, and our publications come out successfully. I think the work of Hampshire Gardens Trust is incredibly important. Open spaces, nature and gardens are so important for our mental health, and the more members that we can introduce to these incredibly beautifully curated gardens, the more ability we have to enable all sorts of people, from school children through to people that live in urban environments, to get them the chance to come and enjoy these incredible areas of nature that we have available to us. As a charity, we rely very much on subscriptions from our membership and also donations which people make from time to time. The trust is run by volunteers, the people who work with us. So we spend our money wisely, producing material to advertise the trust. We spend it on work to keep the register up to date and relevant. And also we fund really good projects like our current schools projects.
Hi there, I'm Jo Walmsley. My role within the Hampshire Gardens Trust as education trustee is to identify schools where we can start our garden plans for schools projects. These projects have been really successful in bringing young people to growing and learning more about nature. Money raised by the Trust helps support a weekly session with a professional gardener or teacher who works with the children. The edible playgrounds which we create give teachers the ideal opportunity to bring the syllabus to life. We're always looking for the right people for these paid positions to help us expand garden plans for schools.
So please, if you can, support our really important work.